If you want to take macro photos on Xiaomi 15T, what you can do is we can keep a proper distance between the subject and the camera, a distance that is big enough so that you can still keep the focus on the object that you want to take the picture of. And in this case, of course, we can also use the zoom. So we're gonna zoom in using, let's say, 4x or something like that. And of course, you have to be careful to not use too big of a zoom, because if you do so, then the quality gets much worse after that. Of course, there might be some changes in these focuses, so you might need to readjust it slightly, but you should be able to capture a pretty decent macro photo like that. As you can see, it works just fine. As long as we do have the focus, we should be able to capture the photo. In my case, it actually turned out a little bit blurry, but I'm sure with steady hands you should be able to capture a pretty decent photo. And that is pretty much it. Unfortunately, we do not have the dedicated macro mode in this case. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.